So if they ask you to choose market structure or market trend, which would you choose? Drop in the comment section. Let me see which one you think is best. So take a look at this trade from $83 to $400. Okay, now take a look at the trade. We have the VIX 100 running in profit, and also we have boom 1000 running in good profits. Now, why did we take this trade? So the boom 1000 was given to me by one of my mentees in the community. I'll show you guys the community. All right, and here VIX 100 is the signal I gave my VIP. I gave my VIPs, and we are in good profits. Now I'll show you guys why I ask you, if you are asked to choose between market structure and market trend, which will you choose? I hope you've dropped your own in the comments section. Please do that. And as you're doing it, just smash the like button. If you're seeing my video for the first time and you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. All right, so in this video, I'll show you guys the most important thing or strategy between market structure and the market trend. Which one is better? Very good. So this is the boom 1000. This is the boom 1000. You can see we are in good profits, massive profits. This is my TP right here. All right, I can decide to move the TP up now because we're in good profit already. It's hard for market to just come and take me out now because I can, it's boom. And that's why I like to catch spikes on boom and crash when I'm doing price action than just scalping. Why? Because before it comes against me or start going against me, I might have taken some profits. I might have seen it and taken some profits because it moves very slow while coming against me. But when it's going into my direction, it comes with spikes, a lot of long spikes. So that's why I don't like going against the spike when I'm doing price action. I only go against the spike when I'm using an indicator to scalp. All right, so now boom 1000. Why did I take this trade? Why did one of my mentees drop this signal and I took it? Let me show you. Let me quickly show you so that you don't feel like I'm just lying to you. Okay, so this is the community. You can see he dropped this call. He dropped the call. All right, and I took it. I don't like taking people's signals, so that I took it. Why? Because I saw it trades just like me. He sees what I see in the market, so we trade basically the same thing because he is my mentee, and you can see that we are in good profits. So here we make more money than other platform. You can see even the VIPs, we make more money. You can see 20 to 90 something dollars. Now back to our video. Why did I take the trade? I find it difficult, even with the best traders, when you give a signal or give me a particular setup, I find it very difficult. I find it very, very difficult to take that trade. But why did I take my mentee's trade? One, because it trades just like me. It trades just like me. The way I see the market is the way he sees the market. He approaches the market just like me. That's one thing. And again, he has already defined the market structure completely, perfectly. Now let's take a look at this trend. This is why I want to explain. You can tell, even a child, a 5-year-old child will tell you that this is a downtrend. This is a strong downtrend on the daily. This is a very strong downtrend right there. Yep, good. But why are we buying? Why are we going against the trend? Because market structure is more important than the market trend. Yes, market structure is more important than the market trend. I'm not saying market trend is not important. You shouldn't, apply it. Of course, I apply market trend every day in my analysis, whenever I'm doing my analysis, but market structure is king. Now, let me tell you something why I say market structure is king. Market might have changed, the trend might have changed without you noticing if you don't apply market structure. You can only notice when you apply proper market structure. You see, it's in a downtrend. Some people will be looking to sell more while we are buying. All right. So now, why did I take this trade? I'll quickly show you this one and also show you the VIX 100 that I gave my guys, my VIPs. All right, so take a look at this now. I would love starting from the daily time frame, okay, then navigate down to maybe 15 minutes time frame. All right, but when it comes to doing my analysis on the daily 4 hours, 1 hour time frame at most. 1 hour is not, I think 4 hours even. When I go down to 1 hour, it's just looking for confirmations to make the entry. All right, so now look at this downtrend. Market has been going down, and if you take a look at the yesterday candlestick, shows weakness, bearish weakness. This candlestick here, the previous day candlestick, that's why you need to go on this daily time frame. You can see this previous day candlestick. Bro, I'm experiencing this market, so you guys need to listen to me when I talk, when I tell you guys to look out for something. I might not drive the fastest cars or live in the class house, but I'm not joking. I'm good when it comes to analyzing the market. Could be maybe, you know, I'm just good, right? So this candlestick is a weak candlestick right there. That bearish candlestick, that black candlestick is a weak candlestick. All right, it's a very weak candlestick. It shows a sign of weakness because you can see when the market was coming down really strong, and this one did not align with this previous candlestick, right? It shows that buyers are in because buyers sees this to be a key support, right? So we've gotten a story right there, and then when you go down to the lower time frame, this is what we call storyline. This is what we call storyline when it gets to the lower time frame. Okay, we get to this 4 hours time frame. We want to see the storyline. I can't show you guys the storyline now because I need to switch down to line chart to give you a clean storyline. But I've got my storyline on the 4 hours time frame. You want to learn more, want to know more about this, you can join the academy. All right, but if you don't want to learn from me, it's fine, pretty fine. I don't force anybody to learn from me. You can learn from anybody, but don't waste your time in this market. Start making money already. All right, so we've gotten our storyline here on the 4 hours time frame, and this is a clear breakout here. If you switch to line chart, you see that we've gotten a breakout right there. We've gotten a breakout right here on the 4 hours time frame already. There's a breakout. Market has given us a new high right there. Then you can see again, you see the pressure around this price on the 4 hours time frame. You can see the pressure. We had a lot of rejections. We have a lot of rejections right there. All right, a lot of rejections right there. That shows that this is strong buy pressure here. The strong buy pressure right there. And there's something we call double bottom. Now, a lot of people are still looking down on those basic knowledge strategies we use, like the chart pattern, like the double bottom, double top, copper handles and stuff like that. People are not applying them again because they feel they are useless because they are cheaper. They can be accessed easily. That's why they don't have value. But those things are playing out every time. Head and shoulders, cup and handle, all those patterns are playing out every time on the charts because this is a double top right here. This is a double top right there. All right. So, bless out. So this what I'm looking at now. I'm looking at a double bottom right here, and those I've seen some criteria when it comes to identifying a double bottom. I'm seeing those signs of a double bottom right here. So markets will be going up for a long time from here. All right. This is the first bottom, and this is the second bottom. Okay. So now we've gotten the candlestick, the weakness on the daily. We've gotten a storyline here on the 4 hours time frame. We also understand that there's a pattern on the chart, which is the chart pattern, the double bottom chart pattern on the chart on the 4 hours time frame, which is a strong time frame. All right. So, and again, we've seen the pressure, the bullish pressure around this level, shows that buyers, big guys are here in this market. That's why we need to follow the big guys. You can see most spikes, guys. Most spikes, guys. You can see that, right? We got more spikes, guys. Wow, can't even see my entry anymore. We've got some more spikes, my guys. More spikes. So, on the 1 hour again, you can see market has given us a clear break. These are internal structures, but market shows that it's about to move You can see high here and high here, and around this level again, market comes in and took out this low. All right, took out this low and rejected, immediately rejected my main C, entered somewhere here, and I saw it pretty late. Then I had to go and check the chart. When I saw the chart, I now saw that he knows what he's doing. That's why I took this call. So actually, he's the one feeding me right now. My mentee is the one feeding me right now. So you can see this one here, a lot of rejections around this price. Rejections here, 1, 2, and a strong bullish push around this price that shows that buyers are in, right? And you can see we are in. We want to hit this level and we'll be fine, all right? Because it's still a downtrend, but though the structure has shifted, which is here. There's a break of structure right there. All right, so that's it for boom 1000. Let's check VIX 100. So this stuff is pretty simple. If you follow me up, you know that I do this a lot and I make it very simple for anybody to actually know what they're doing. So look at this. Yesterday candlestick showed 2-3 days ago we've seen weakness. All right, we've seen weakness 3 days ago. You can see that the 3 days ago candlesticks were really weak. You can see those candlesticks right there. This one was weak, a weak candlestick, and yesterday was a strong bullish candlestick. This shows that buyers are in. So this shows that markets will be buying for a very long time. It might buy back to this point for a very long time. Markets will be buying for a very long time because this was a bullish engulfing candlestick right there with massive rejection. So I'll wait patiently for market to actually drop down to our key level and entry to give us an entry. I gave the first call on VIX 100 and we lost to VIX 100. We hit SL. Why? Because I did this analysis last night, but when I gave the call today with my system, I used my phone. I just woke up, I saw market dropping down to somewhere this price, and I started buying already. And it went up a bit and then took us out, right? Just kissed our SL and then started going back into our direction. So when I saw this, I decided to give the call again, and we made so much profits already. We smashed TP1 somewhere here and this TP2 up there. All right, so now that's because I could see the pressure. That's why you need to stay on the daily time frame. I could see the pressure that buyers are in. Now again, if you check on the 4 hours time frame, we have a structure here. We have a structure right there. We have lower low, lower high right there, lower low, lower high right here. Lower high. This is a lower high. This is my lower high. Sorry guys, this is my lower high, and there was a failed swing here, failure swing. Didn't go below, though it printed a candlestick. Some candlestick on the lower time frame that will be visible on the lower time frame, but here there's a failure swing right there, which shows the market will be going up. So what did the market do? Market gave us a break of this high, gave us a new high, then back to this level to retest this level, this key level. Merely retested the key level, I gave the call. We are in good profits. We smashed the P1 and 2. So market structure is more important than your market trend. Market trend is equally important, but if you tell me to choose either market structure or market trend, I would choose market structure over and over, because it's also a trend. It tells you the trend, and it helps you define the trend properly, and also gives you a heads up, like for you to know that the market is about to change the direction. There will be a change in trend. It tells you on time for you to know and start taking advantage of the market. So you can see that's how to do your stuff. Then you find an good entry on the lower time frame. You need to know your entry. I have a lot of entry models, crazy entry models that gives good money. All right, so you know those your entry models, and then you find sniper entry. That is the best way to flip accounts. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. A lot of good videos will be coming. My videos are amazing, just that some people look down on them because I give it out simply, freely. So some people don't feel like they've actually get knowledge or value from them. But my videos are very important. If you listen to them watch them over and over to base your best understanding. And also don't forget to smash the like button, and also always comment. Drop some good comments. It makes me happy, it makes me feel like people are actually seeing what I'm giving out. Okay, and also share it with friends, let them join. Don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. Check the description to click on the link to join the free Telegram channel. If you're looking for a reliable place to get profitable signals to grow your account, I have a good VIP channel that I provide signals every day. Then you're looking for way to learn, I can be your mentor and hold you through these crazy markets. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Bye bye. Trade safely out there.